Apple is hiring for Python developer, cloud data engineer, cloud data engineering manager, front-end engineer, full-stack engineer, Java and Angular Vue vertical bar. Apply now. About the company. Apple is currently offering exceptional career opportunities in Hyderabad for individuals driven by innovation and a desire to contribute to groundbreaking technology with worldwide impact. Committed to pushing technological boundaries, Apple strives to develop products and services that significantly improve lives. Job description. Apple is specifically recruiting for the following roles: Python developer, cloud data engineer, cloud data engineering manager, front-end engineer, full stack engineer, Java and Angular Vue. This is a unique opportunity to contribute directly to transformative projects that are redefining industries, while collaborating with some of the most brilliant and innovative minds in the technology sector. Company name: Apple. Role: Python developer, cloud data engineer, cloud data engineering manager, front-end engineer, full stack engineer, Java and Angular Vue. Location: Hyderabad. Salary. Job type. Responsibilities. Qualifications. Skills: Python, cloud engineering, front-end development, full stack development, Java, Angular, Vue. ATS keywords: Python, cloud data engineer, front-end engineer, full stack engineer, Java, Angular, Vue. Cloud engineering, software development. Hyderabad. How to apply. 1. Review job details. Read through all the job details on this page to understand the requirements and responsibilities. 2. Click the apply link. Scroll down and click the apply link button to be redirected to the official website. 3. Fill out the application. On the official website, fill out the application form with the provided information. 4. Double-check your information. Before submitting your application, review all the details you've provided to ensure accuracy and completeness. 5. Submit your application. Once you are satisfied with your application, submit it through the official website as instructed. Link provided in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel for more job updates. Thanks for watching.